Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. One is a brand new Little Peep. I know we've all been waiting. We didn't release one last month, so it's very exciting to release one now. Also a word die set and also a double stamp set. Check it out. Ready? Here we go. Here's our new Little Peep. It is Little Peep Cat. And look at how cute this little girl, I call her a girl because I think she looks like a girl. But you are one cool cat. I like your catitude. How are you feeling? And you are a perfect friend. She has a cute little sweater, some little shorts, and some yarn to play with. Or the yarn can go on her sweater. But all of the clothing from all of the Little Peeps will fit this little kitty cat. This clothing will fit all of our Little Peeps. So they're like paper dolls. You mix and match. Of course, there are dies that match. Here are her matching dies. And I can just tell you that Katie, my daughter, will love this one because she loves kitty cats. So I'm excited about this one. And we have some fun samples to share with you on this one. We're also releasing, and I know it doesn't look like much here, but wait till you see my samples. Example, look at this one. Hello, is that the coolest ever? It's thank you, but look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that fantastic? So the word thank you. Then we are releasing a double stamp set. It's a lowercase alphabet, but I want you to see, okay, so, oh, wow, cool, look at that. Now there's extra letters, so I have extra A's, extra E's, I's, an extra M, an extra L, extra S. I tried to throw in as many extras as I could, but wait for it. There's also a stamp set on the back that can be a fill-in or not. What do I mean? Well, let me show that Let me show that to you first. So let's look at this. I just die cut this and put 2 hole punches in it. And what I'm going to do is I'm busy labeling my grandson's play bins that they have at our house. And so I wanted to stamp one of these. This one I'm just going to stamp hello, just so you can get the idea though. So I'm just going to use our licorice ink. And I've already put the outline stamps on here in a fun little pattern, hello. So I'm going to go ahead and ink this up, and then I'm just going to stamp it. Of course, I'm using my Stamper Secret Weapon on the bottom, so I'm going to get a good impression. Lift up, there's my cute little hello. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those striped stamps in a different color. So I'm going to take, this one's Razzleberry, and I'm going to take the H, stamp it, and then I'm going to ink it. Now, you could do this a couple different ways. You could try to get exactly in there. I like to kind of offset it a little bit on purpose, on accident on purpose, so it looks like it's supposed to be that way, so I don't have to worry about it being exact. Now, you can do exact if you want, but I like to just kind of just drop it on there. And just oh, that one actually ended up perfect. Okay, didn't mean to do that. Okay, so let's do an E, and we'll do this one off-centered a little so you can see. So I'm just going to kind of just do it a little off-center, and that one still looks really good. I'm too good of a stamper, apparently. Now this one looks a little crooked. Let's just line that up a little better. So now this one, we are going to do off-center on purpose. There we go. See, now I did it off-center on purpose. So that looks fun. Now we can do it a different way on this one. So it can kind of just go like that. You get to decide, do you want it to be perfect or do you want it to be off-centered? Now you can make it more like of a shadow and just kind of go behind it like that so it goes off to the side a little bit. So some of it is on, some of it is not. But look how fun that is. Now, what if you wanted to do just the letters, right? You could do just the stripes if you wanted. H, look at this. So you have lots of options on this one. Now, this is a bundle, so we did offer it to you at a lower price, which is really handy-dandy, right? L, L, and then let's get our O in there. Look how cute that is. Now, I have lots of fun samples. Hello. So you get all these options. Now, of course, you could also do the outline separately as well. So much fun. You're going to have fun with that one. Okay, so let's move all that off to the side, and let's look at our fun samples. Let's grab those samples first so we can see them. Here we go. So here's a cute one. Welcome, baby. Look at how cute that is with the striped letters in the back. So, I mean, in black. So fun. Here's one on cute little Santa letters right there on our little banner, which is so cute. Here is just the outline to say baby, which is fun on one of our fun flip it cards. Here's a cute splash using just the stripes. Here's using both adulting over it. Isn't that cute with our little wibble wobbles? Here's a cute one. You are my sunshine. So pretty. Isn't that cute? Here's a cute one. This one says fun times. And look at how cute this is. This is like a little math book. So you can practice your times tables. So this is using our other, I think it's the straight, skinny mini numbers. 2 times 2. You can practice your little, look at how cute that is. 2 times 3. Open that up. Lots more. Isn't it fun? And then here's a cute one. Feliz cumpleaños. Isn't that awesome? Okay, and then, oh, here comes our kitty cat. Now, if you have somebody that just recently lost a kitty cat, so sorry for your loss. Isn't that sweet? Here's a cute, well, here we got some thank yous. So let's see, what's this one? This one says thank you. Open up. Oh, there we go. For all you do. This is our double pop out. So there's that alphabet again. So fun to have that one. Here's another cute little kitty girl, kitty cat. Oh, here's another one. I like to show you a whole bunch at one time so you can see all the different ways to color her. Here's that thank you. There's that thank you, but then there's another version to color her. Let's see, what other, oh, look at all this, look at all this. Here's one with just using the dyes as well. So there's lots of different options on how to color her. You can add some friends in there if you want to. That's our cute little Kirsten Peep. Happy fall. Let's see. Oh, here's a cute one with a little friend. So you have lots of options. This kitty cat can be any color. You can add stripes to her if you want to, like this one. Lots of different options. Now, here is that gorgeous thank you. Now, I just want you to see how gorgeous this thank you really is because look at these options. Lots of different options. Yes, it comes with the shadow dies, so you can use it without or with. But look at that, 3 totally different looks with that same die. You're going to use this one a lot, and there's another one, gorgeous one on our A1 card. I know. Isn't it gorgeous? Okay. Club members, yes, you know the deal. You're getting a club discount, 15 to 20% off. I know, it's amazing. It's amazing. Off of everything on our website. Online classes, die cut machines, kits, you name it, you're getting it, which is really, really awesome. If you're not in the club, you can be in the club for as little as $13.99 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically. And then you also get a 15% discount off of everything on our website. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye.